Hi, I'm Jay from SEK Surebond. Today we're going to talk about spot cleaning organic stains. Before cleaning your surface overall, look for any organic stains such as non-greasy food, beverage, leaf, moss, fertilizer, berry and rust stains that require special attention. Surebond's SRB dissolves, dislodges, and cleans many types of organic stains. Its biodegradable and concentrated formula is customizable to the strength you need for your project. Before you begin, check that the weather forecast and site conditions fall within the application guidelines found on the label or tech data sheet. Remove any furniture and cover plants that you wish to protect. Now it's time to clean the organic or rust stain from the surface. For successful results, start with a dry surface. You will need a small mixing container, medium scrub brush, sprayer, and pressure washer. Be sure to test the cleaner on your surface to determine the dilution rate and dwell time you will need for successful cleaning. Use only as strong of a solution or dwell time needed to sufficiently clean. To dilute, pour the desired amount of cleaner and water into the mixing container or sprayer. Gently mix. Pour or spray the dilution onto the stain. Let dwell for 5 to 10 minutes. To assist with breaking down the stain, agitate the surface with a brush. Next, rinse thoroughly with the pressure washer. A hot water pressure washer will assist with further breakdown of the surface stains. Do not use excessive high pressure, which can damage the substrate. Let the surface dry to view final results. If the organic stain is still visible, you may need to clean again. For rust stains, use the same cleaning process of pouring or spraying the diluted cleaner on the stain. Then, let the cleaner dwell, agitate with a brush, and finally, rinse. Once the organic or rust stains have been removed, now it's time to clean any oil stains and the surface overall. SEK Surebond products are professional grade and field proven for over 30 years. We offer technical support and training, which is critical to your success with surface restoration. For more product information and additional videos, visit us online at sek.us.com.